G'day, Clint here, and I wanted to talk with you today about gut microbiome testing or stool sampling to provide a portfolio of what pathogenic and healthy gut bacteria percentages you have inside your colon. Now, why do we want to do this? Well, when we're on our mission to reverse rheumatoid arthritis, we can use excellent tools like monthly C-reactive protein and sed rate blood tests to give us a feedback on how much our inflammation has reduced on the Paddison program and the various auxiliary parts of that program, like exercise and some of the supplementation and so on, besides just the diet. Now, these are great, these monthly blood tests. However, what we're really testing those monthly blood tests is still symptoms. Okay, we're still measuring inflammation, which is a symptom of having an underlying gut problem. So by looking into our microbiome, we're actually getting feedback on the real, actual part of the body that we're trying to heal. So what you'll get when you do one of these samples, which you can do on something like Microbiome, which is an American company, they do international shipping and work with international sampling, so you can look into that wherever you are. The Explorer kit, I believe, is the one to look for. It costs about $80 something. That's the one that I did. And what they'll do is they'll show you what unusual bacterial strains you have, and they'll also show you how your bacteria compares to healthy individuals. And so when I got my results back, I was in a low 90s percentile bracket for having diversity compared to healthy individuals. So just to give an example of the result that I got. Now, I don't like my clients using this to make decisions in terms of, well, what should I eat? Because if you get certain bacterial strains, it's not as simple as saying, oh, I got that bacterial strain there as an outlier, therefore I need to eat a different sort of food. Unfortunately, things aren't that simple. The way to use these tests is as a comparison, as a before and after. So we can use these tests as we're about to start the Paddison program for rheumatoid arthritis or other inflammatory arthritic conditions, or we can use it and then do a later test for comparison, and you should see that your diversity increases, which is important because diversity of our gut bacteria is important in improving our microbiome. And also you should see that your percentage of healthy bacteria quantity is also more in a higher percentile bracket compared to healthy individuals. And so as a comparison tool, as a before and after, say on a 3-month interval or something, then this can be very useful because you can actually see that what you're doing is affecting the underlying cause and the actual real problem that you're trying to address when you're reversing inflammatory arthritis. So we want to keep up our blood tests each month. We want to make sure we're tracking our inflammation. But this also keeps an eye on what's going on in the gut. And I think that that's a useful tool, and having as much quantitative data as we can get when we're on this mission where we're working on something that's internal and we can't see is very, very helpful. Okay, so I hope that helps, and let me know if you go and get it done, because it's an area that a lot of my clients are starting to explore and to use, and I think it's very interesting. So let me know if you do it, and good luck on your mission to reverse RA.